Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting OneDrive installed and signed in so files can flow. Open Google Play, install OneDrive, then grant storage and camera permissions so uploads work smoothly. Sign in with your Microsoft account or your work/school credentials. This links cloud storage to your phone. Once done, tap Settings and enable background app refresh and mobile uploads if you want automatic photo backups. Doing these first removes friction later and ensures OneDrive can access and sync your files immediately. Now organize and push content to the cloud so it's usable across devices. Create a clear folder structure, then tap Upload to add files or choose Camera, Upload for continuous photo sync. Select Wi-Fi only to save mobile data. Move or rename items with the three-dot menu, and use offline option on folders you need without internet. Make sure to check storage settings to avoid hitting limits. This middle step turns scattered files into an accessible, searchable library across your account and devices. Finish by sharing, recovering, and ensuring reliability so OneDrive serves you consistently. Use Share to create links or invite specific people and set view or edit permissions for control. If you delete something, restore it from the recycle bin. For accidental edits, open file version history to recover prior copies. If syncing stops, first check app permissions, available storage, account sign-in, and network connection. Signing out and back in or clearing cache often fixes stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.